Welcome back from spring break. I'm sure you've already heard the news that the governor has canceled all in-person school for the rest of the year. So we don't know exactly what that's going to look like moving forward. The administrators met today for direction on what the district wants us to do, and we are having a staff meeting, a Zoom staff meeting tomorrow, all online. And we'll get directions tomorrow on what it is that we are going to be providing you with. So no Alex as of right now until you hear otherwise. So there's not a new assignment out there for this week. So I'm sure that that's upsetting to some of you. You can certainly go ahead and do some if you'd like to. It keeps your math strong, helps build your math knowledge. So it wouldn't hurt you to do it. Just know that it's not required. Yeah, I don't know exactly what it'll look like, but I wanted to touch base with you and welcome you back from spring break. I hope you're all staying safe and not driving your family crazy, or hopefully they're not driving you crazy. We did get moved into our new house, so that was quite an adventure during all of this time. We're still unpacking boxes. So we haven't been able to meet very many people yet because, well, we haven't really met anybody yet because everybody is sheltering at home. It's kind of been interesting navigating a new town and trying to figure out where everything is, where I can get groceries and buy gas, and where the best restaurants are for takeout. So far we've only taken out pizza, but it was pretty good. So anyways, I've been busy with, I made some face masks for my family. I've been outside doing some things. Not really doing a lot of really strenuous stuff. Today I went up and helped serve food for the food drive. So I saw some of you out there and said hi. So that was fun. Watch for tomorrow. There'll be a video tomorrow that will provide some more direction on what we're doing moving forward. Other than that, I don't really know anything, but I just wanted to see how you guys are, and I worry about you. So, I hope things are going well. It's kind of a weird school year, but hopefully we never have another one like this. So check back tomorrow for more information on what we're going to do moving forward. There will be a plan for the rest of the year, so that, like I said, that's being decided today or was decided earlier today, and they will let us know at the building level tomorrow. So we have a meeting tomorrow morning, like at 9 o'clock, and then once I know, then I will let you know and start posting stuff, whatever it is that we're going to have to do. So please stay safe, stay home, and don't drive each other crazy. Find something fun to do. And I think I'm going to start making a puzzle today. Just things that keep me busy. So, all right, have fun, and we will talk to you again tomorrow.